I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird. The bird's beak is from here to here when it comes to the top portion of it. The lower portion of it is from here to here. And so this piece of wood and this part of this piece of wood come together to make the beak. This piece of wood represents the side of the bird's head. The bird's eye is this red ball. The reason why you see these black rocks inside of this area is because it represents the darkness inside of the bird's beak. I think that the copper wire represents the sun. The spiral pieces of wood represent feathers on the bird's head. And so, yeah.